If you're trying to find a VLC error log file, or you need to see exactly what VLC is doing behind the scenes, this video will walk you through the fastest way to open the messages window, capture the debug logs, and save them as a text file. This is super useful when a video won't play, audio is missing, subtitles are broken, or VLC keeps crashing and you need technical details to troubleshoot the problem. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, you have two easy ways to get to the log window. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl+M. On Mac, press CMD+Option+M. That keyboard shortcut opens the Messages panel right away. If you prefer using the menu, you can also click Tools at the top, then choose Messages from the drop-down list. Either method takes you to the same place, so use whichever feels easier. Now that the Messages window is open, look at the bottom of the panel and find the Verbosity level setting. This is the part that controls how much detail VLC shows in the log. For full technical error information, change the verbosity level to 2, which is the debug level. This is important because lower levels may hide the exact issue you're trying to find. Once it's set to debug, VLC will start showing much more detailed messages. The next step is to reproduce the issue. In other words, play the file that is giving you problems or repeat the action that causes the error. As you do that, watch the messages box. You'll see the log populate in real time with technical entries, warnings, and hidden errors that can help identify what's going wrong. If the problem only happens after a few seconds, let the file run long enough for the error to appear in the log. If you're helping a support team, this is the information they usually need first. After the error shows up in the log, you can export it so you have a saved copy. To do that, click Save as Text at the bottom of the Messages window. Choose a location on your computer, give the file a clear name, and save it. That creates your VLC error log file as a plain text document, which you can upload, share, or keep for troubleshooting later. If you need to send a log to someone, this text file is usually the easiest format to use. So just to recap, open VLC, open Messages with the shortcut or Tools menu, set Verbosity to debug level 2, reproduce the error, and then save the log as text. That gives you a complete VLC error log file in just a few steps. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.